Hey guys, welcome back to my Gene Garage. And today what I'm doing? Well, today's the day that I'm taking out the dashboard out of this car so I can put it in that car. So I'm taking that dashboard out, putting it in that car. The seat's already loosened and everything. So hit like, hit share, subscribe, and thumbs up to my videos. And after I take the dashboard out, I gotta take the harness out and everything. And I cannot install it till I put the harness into the vehicle. So with that said, let me get to number 12, number 10, and stand by. We're gonna take it apart. All right, guys. So the plan with this is one, to get the Integra back on the road. Two, to get rid of the shell. And the reason I say that is because hurricane went by and took out my fence, as you can see, and I need to look at that S2000 seat, perfect. You know, I give that away to a friend of mine that picked it up. This one needs some work, but like I said, I give that to a friend of mine that picked it up. I gotta get rid of this car. One reason is the fence is down in the city of Cape Coral. That's the city that I live. They're very beautiful people, and they don't like car guys like me. So I gotta get rid of my toy. Almost thought I lost it for a minute. And for some of you that you think, usually when I'm filming, I film by myself. The people are working or have a business going on. I'm on myself. All right. Let's see. I think it's a 10. Yes, it is. I'm gonna keep these bolts because I want to use them. Put that right there. I do have the 12 from the other side. Let me go. I think I already had this dashboard apart one time. All right, guys. Besides, thinking out the dashboard cracked on me here. It cracked on me. I got this one replaced. I think I might have one of these. It's not gonna look for one. This is good shape. Broke right here. I tried to fix the one. No dashboard for another Integra. I take these out, put it out. I don't have the original dashboard, but I take that out. I'll get in trouble. I do have an extra one of these, so that's cool. I got an extra one of these, so this is gonna be replaceable. Back here, how you notice, you see this big thing right here? Well, that's a safety issue of these Integras. And this guy took it apart. So I want to replace that too. As you can see, I put this bolt right here just to keep that safe there, so I can put my steering wheel up. But I'm going to take that apart right now. And I want to take these apart. I want to take this apart and take the whole thing with me, and then jump into the harness. Now, on this car, okay, right here, the light doesn't hit me better. On this car, we did a wild talk, and that Integra, I'm not going to do a wild talk, so everything's going to go normal. So if you give me a few minutes, I got to start dismantle all the shit so I can put it into my other car. All right. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that takes me a few hours to take what I am right now. But you can see I got the whole harness loose, everything. I'm working on going in here and disconnect this harness right here so I can pull it out. But besides I do that, grab it that sharp and I'm going to the rubber cutting around. This right here covers the harness in place. So you got 10mm bolts every often. You want to take that off without breaking it, because that's what you're going to anchor to the chassis on the other side. So keep in touch. Let me finish what I'm doing and I'll get you going. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. And holy shit, I thought it was gonna be in maybe an hour. It's been taking me about 3.5 hours just to take it off. And this right here is the whole harness. So this harness divides in two places. So this guy cut both harnesses. So you got a harness that goes from that side of the car, the other side, go that side for safety and stuff like that. Then you got the one that goes through here, connect to the steering wheel, goes down underneath here, connect on this part, connect to all the headlights, and it goes around there to the window motor. So that's this harness right here. So this is a fuel tank. It goes around to the engine harness inside, relays, everything, windows and then door handles, everything. So that's the one I got to put there. It's been all day doing this. So and I still got to go to the other side and take the other harness for the safety one. That's going to be easy. But so this harness right here divides. This is for the window motor, go through there for the window motor, and then you have another one that already started taking it apart, and that should be done with the harness. And holy fuck, the only harness I got to take is the one for the ignition that I'm going to do right now. It's taking me 5 minutes to do, and I'm going to take a shower and a break. I have to take all this out of this car, and now I got to do the same thing in the other car. Take it apart, just bring it over here. Man, to be honest with you, I thought it was gonna be easier, but I also took the pedals from the other car out just to keep them in case. This is the harness that they cut. You see it right there? So now I gotta go here, and all this harness that they put all this stupid shit, I gotta go in there and cut it off, take it apart, take it out of the car, and do the right way so I can have speakers and stuff like that on the radios over here. Make sure all my pedals got all the things they need, and then I gotta go there and bolt on all the original, take all the carpet off, go through here, take all these off, put the right ones in. I gotta move the carpet that way. It's gonna be a bitch because this one I cannot cut. This one I want it nice. So you want it nice, you have to treat it nice, right? So I got up to Friday to take the car out of my house. So I'm almost there. I just gotta take a break, eat a lunch, and go for it. This is why I'm replacing the initial one. So they put an alarm system to the car. So I'm taking that off. It's right here, unbolt it, and you swing it back, put the new one in, bolt it on, that's it, you're done. Automatic and manual will work. Just so you know. Yeah, folks, I'm almost done with the shit. I'm getting everything that I needed, all the bracket that they took off, all that gotta be put back together and shit like that. So it's been a headache, but it's gonna be worth it. I might have to do a second part on this because it's taking me forever to take it. Right now it's almost like 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I ain't even done yet taking everything out. And look, it's about to rain too. So I don't want to work on this car when it's raining. Even though I have some small water leak somewhere in the back I gotta fix too. So I need to swap more. I guess tomorrow I can start swapping this harness into the vehicle, make it all nice and legal, put it there, and then after that I gotta still take the side skirts out. I gotta take side skirts, the brakes, the wheels, those are bent, so I'm gonna put them here. Put the steering wheel back up so that people can take it with them. I gotta check if I need. Oh, this is working. Yeah, that's working. That's working. Okay, so I got everything. The whole harness. And this is why I told people they needed a car, to get the whole harness out of the car and strip it for people that didn't want to do the work. When I get this motherfucker running, watch, people will be like, sell it to me. And I'll be like, no. you know what? This is what happens when you don't have money, because you have shit like that to finish on top of your house. So what you do, you work with what you have. At this point, I'm working with what I have. Still gotta take the motor mounts off on this car from the case swap and save them. That little part back there. The base done. To have an extra hood, I don't know if I can put it on. That's it. Side skirts gotta come out. I might take these out. I don't know yet. So before the car goes to the junkyard, I'll have a strip. Then I gotta take a day to do the CRX. Look, I took out the pedals out. Just so you never know when manual swaps come by around. These are the safety issues I was telling you guys about that the guy should have left on. And oh man, I wonder. I do have. Let me see something. Yeah, this is clip-on. I do have a tray. I wonder if it fit. I'll be right back. There you go, guys. I have the tray. So I'm going to do a JDM tray and I'll put it on the car. Make it nice and comfortable. I just got to attach it a little bit better on the bottom, man. See, attach. I got to make a bracket. That's easy to do. And I'm putting it to hold it in. Sweet. I'm going to little paint it later on. And that's it. I got my JDM tray. I saved that for something else. Haha. JDM as fuck. Alright guys, let me finish up what I'm doing, and hopefully I can get done before the rain comes down. So this one right here, this is right here is more like a safety for the airbag system. I might not use that one. So I got everything that I need out of the car except the outside. What's up, big boy? Here's my manager. He's going to check out what I'm doing. So here, this car is completely gutted. The only thing that I needed to take all this harness out of the car was a 12mm and a 10. I'll take the whole harness out. Now, before that rain comes down, I'm gonna put my whole harness inside the car and put the dashboard inside the car. Those two big old things inside the car. That, all this right here, and these going in here with the fuse box in the car too, with all the screws that I need for all this to put it away. And this is what I need to get the car running. So imagine you go to the junkyard, spend all day in the junkyard. Crazy, huh? Well, give me a minute. Alright guys, I picked up everything that I had right there in the cars. And this is my 1, 2, 3 storage room that I got. And here's the extra pedals from Integra. That can help me out for another engine swap or something like that. I was a manual, so I had it set. Literally, that's a shell right now. There's nothing left on that car. Then the brakes, the side skirts, engine mount that I gotta take out. I don't know if I want to take that wing or not. Guys, hit me up if you want me to keep that wing and take that wing off, and I save it just for Google's, right? So let me know.